welcome to a new vlog. So I am starting this vlog off in the morning. I had a pretty productive morning so far. I woke up early and me and Jaren went for a quick run. He already left for work, but I hopped in the shower. That's why my hair is wet right now. And I made some coffee and I'm ready to get the day started. So if you can see behind me, I have a pretty big mess. I think that's gonna be the first thing that I do is clean up my desk and the living room. I filmed a video yesterday and I haven't cleaned up since then. So I need to get everything organized so that I have a clean space to work in and then get started with my day. So I have several things on my to-do list today and I'm gonna see how much I can get done. First, I think I'm going to pack some orders for my shop and just go ahead and get that done. I need to work on editing the video that I filmed yesterday. I need to record a podcast for Patreon and work on some new product designs for my shop. I need to make a to-do list so that I can organize all of these things so I don't forget anything. So I had this all set up on my desk from yesterday when I was filming. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out. I did these little embroideries that turned out really cute, but I'm just going to move this stuff out of the way and make a quick to-do list. So I have my little to-do list. I might think of more things to add to it, but this is all I can remember right now. But I'm going to go ahead and get started with cleaning. The living room and my office are nice and clean now. I do have that one pile of stuff back there, but I am gathering some things that I want to donate, so that will be out of here soon, but it looks pretty good. So now I'm going to go over to my desk and start working on some orders. Keep most of my shop supplies in this little set of drawers. So here I have some little envelopes in different sizes and different materials, and I have washi tape and stickers back there. Here I have the labels for my label printer. I have some extra printer ink, and these are the glassine envelopes that I use to package the stickers. And in this drawer, I just have more stickers. I have my packaging stickers, business cards, just stuff like that. Now that I have my orders all finished, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my podcast episode so I can get that done. So I just need to write down some notes so that I know what to talk about, and then I'll start recording. And if you don't know, I do my podcast on my Patreon, and I do usually 2 episodes a month for my $10 or higher tiers. So if you wanna check that out, I will have my Patreon linked down below. So it's not even noon yet and I'm already feeling so sleepy, but I don't want to take a nap, so I need to do something to wake myself up. It's just because I've been waking up early and going for runs in the morning, which is great because I get my day started and feel productive, and it's also good because it makes me more tired by bedtime, and sometimes I have a hard time falling asleep at night. So I'm happy to be tired at bedtime, but the downside is sometimes it makes me sleepy during the day, which isn't good because I want to get lots of things done. So I'm just gonna keep working and push through. So I just finished my podcast and I'm editing it now. I know you can see me in my computer screen. Hopefully that's not distracting, but I wanted to show you a quick tip. So I edit my podcast in Premiere Pro just because that's what I have and it's easy and I know how to use it. So I dragged in my audio, and a tip to make your audio sound a bit better, go up here to your audio tab, and then over here there's like presets for audio, if you can see. So I go to dialogue and make sure, yeah, that's selected. And then for the podcast, I use podcast voice, which is perfect. And I just remove the clarity because usually that's too much, and then it sounds a lot better. So that's a quick tip for you if you're editing audio in Premiere. So I've been working all morning and I'm just getting a little bit antsy being here in the apartment. So I think I'm gonna go work in a coffee shop for a little while and get a head start on editing my video that I filmed yesterday because I'm really excited about it and I wanna get that finished so I can upload it. So I think I'll do that just so I can get out of here, get some fresh air, and have a new space to work in. I'm home now. I got lots of work done at the coffee shop and now I'm pretty hungry, so I think I'm going to heat up some leftovers from dinner last night to have for lunch, and I'm just gonna keep working on this video so I can get it done. Let's see, I have my to-do list here. So I've done the orders, I've done the podcast, worked on the video a little bit, still need to get shipping supplies, and then we'll see how much time I have to work on my new products, but doing it pretty good on this to-do list. So it's been a little while since I last talked to you. I am on the couch now. I had to change into a tank top just because it's so warm today. But I have been working on editing the video still, trying to get that done. I want to have it uploaded on Friday, so I'll definitely have it done by then. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep working on that, and I also want to do a little work on the new products that I told you about earlier. I'm still in the very beginning stages of that. I'm still doing research of supplies, where to have things made, and the very beginning sketches of things, you know. So I don't have a lot to show you right now, but I will definitely show you behind the scenes of that once I have more going and actually have things to show you. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep working and I will catch up with you guys soon. We just went to go see a movie.
My Neighbor Totoro.
Now we're going to Target.